Removing a processor Neptune core module. Remove the front top cover. Remove the rear top cover. Remove the following components: fan modules and fan cage, PCIe risers. Remove the cold plate covers. If there are any memory modules installed in slots 9 to 24 and 41 to 56, remove them. Note: close the retaining clips at each end of the memory module connector before installing a processor Neptune core module. Disconnect the leakage detection sensor module cable from the system board assembly. Remove the riser filler. Align and place the cold plate carrier onto the processor Neptune core module. In the installation sequence shown on the carrier label, turn all the plungers clockwise to the locked position. Loosen the thumb screws. Unfasten the 16 Torx T30 nuts on the cold plate assembly. Push the anti-tilt wire bales inward. Hold the handle on the cold plate carrier and lift it from the system board assembly. Slide the processor Neptune core module towards the front of the chassis, and then carefully lift the hoses of the processor Neptune core module out of the chassis.